To all of you, our distinguished guests, our business partners, and all of our investors gathered here tonight. Tonight, get ready to shake your tail feathers as we all move in the rhythm of life with our newest development and the launching of Valencia by Vista Estate.
Baile in Cebuano means to dance. It is a word that conjures images of joyful moments.
It is our great pride and honor to have Valencia by Vista Estates break ground here in the island of Mactan, Cebu, where city and tropical island living harmoniously converge.
Valencia Residences is especially designed to fit the Cebuanos' desire for an upgraded estate living, giving you spaces that offer the essential elements of a dynamic metropolis. One where urban and tropical island living flawlessly move in the same beat. Folks, it is my pleasure to present you Valencia by Vista Estates.
Today, we have unveiled something amazing. We are all at the cusp of embarking on a milestone-filled journey. As mentioned earlier, this is just our first foray in township development, and there will definitely be more to come. So stay tuned because our story has just begun. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the distinct honor in presenting to you Valencia by Vista Estates. Ladies and gentlemen, let us raise our glass to the successful launch of Valencia by Vista Estates. Let us never miss out on life. Cheers to Valencia by Vista Estates. Cheers, everyone.